Hi, my name is Siti Shabnam binti Paris. Today I'm excited to provide a brief overview of two case studies that delve into world of mutual fund in Malaysia. The first one is Islamic versus conventional mutual fund performance background. Mutual funds, a popular financial tool, have been focused research for years. The emergence of Islamic mutual fund (IMFS) adhering to Sharia principle has added complexity to this landscape. Objective is this study aims to compare the performance of IMS and conventional mutual fund in Malaysia over 9 years, especially during the global financial crisis. The insight is, while some studies suggest IMF perform better in downturn, conflicting findings highlighting the complexity of mutual fund performance in the context of Islamic finance. This research seeks to enhance our understanding using standard performance indicators and exploring investor motivation. Study number 2 is about mutual fund selection criteria in Malaysia context. Malaysia's mutual fund industry has seen significant growth, driven by government measures and the rise of Islamic funds. Investors traditionally consider past performance, but this study reveals that in Malaysia, religious affiliation significantly influences fund selection criteria. Muslim investors prioritize a fund commitment to Islamic principles, while non-Muslim investors lean more toward historical performance. This underscores the need for tailored marketing strategies based on investor preference. In conclusion, these studies contribute valuable insights into the performance dynamics and investor motivation within Malaysia's mutual fund landscape. Thank you for your attention.
I will present my literature review, the origins of mutual fund. First, Hendrik Mahmat Fund Netherlands focus on early investment trusts like Hendrik Mahmat Fund in the Netherlands. Requests highlight unique features, diversified portfolio, purely payouts, and a lottery-based share retirement system. Second is investment trust in late 18th century U.S. credit speculation. Scholarly exploration of trust speculating on U.S. credit in the late 18th century. Emergence of trusts like Bordeaux and Forstige in response to financial crisis 1772 until 1773. And third, Foreign and Colonial Government Trust, 1868. Examine the 1868 launch of the Foreign and Colonial Government Trust in London, originating from the Dutch system aimed to benefit savers by investing in various government securities, set the stage for the global expansion of the investment trust in 19th century. Massachusetts Investment Trust, 1974. Crucial turning point in mutual fund development, which is introduction to open and capitalization in 1924 allows continuous share issuance and redemption based on the portfolio value. Scholars like Robert Fleming trace the evolution shaping the current dominant mutual fund model. Third is current landscape. Positive growth indicators with increased unit and higher net asset value (NAV) presence of 36 management companies underscore the importance of competent oversight. Historical phase, regulatory reforms, and growth indicators highlight the industry's resilience and attractiveness as a stable investment choice in Malaysia. Lastly, industry characteristic. Recent research explores mutual fund flow performance in emerging markets from 20,000 to 2000 and to 2010. 2016, resilience and flexibility showcased in encouraging market development, popular among investors due to diversification, liquidity, and experienced fund managers. Liquidity enables quick conversion to cash, and diversification mitigates risk to various assets.
Now, I will explain about determinants of Islamic flow evidence from Malaysia. The first is research focus. Basically, it for analysis of mutual funds flows, emphasizing the relationship between cash flow and past performance in developed market. Secondly, is investors' behavior. Investors disproportionately allocate capital, favoring well-performing funds while hesitating to divest from poorly performing ones. Then, role of past performance based on the study, It strong evidence linked past performance, including raw and risk-adjusted returns, to capital flows in and out of mutual funds. And then it goes to preliminary data findings. It positive correlation between past performance and fund flows. Investing adjusts belief based on managers' historical capacity for higher returns. And then emerging market. Recent research explores mutual funds flow performance in emerging market from 2000 to 2016. Last but not least, from the determining of Islamic law, overall implication is emphasis on past performance and investor behavior shapes capital flow in mutual funds with variation based on geography and ethical consideration. Now, we focus on the study of fund performance and including fund selection and market timing. The first late 1990s IMG growth in Malaysia, we got high oil price and technological investment lead to exceptional growth in Malaysia IMF in late 1990s, and that the majority of IMF outperformed benchmark in returns. And then we go to research categories on performance, on IMF performance. It goes to fund performance, including market timing and fund selection. It also it also have characteristic and performance of the fund. Last but not least, IMF ethical funds share similar values among investors in attitude, belief, and perception. And fund manager prioritize meeting investor expectation over maximizing wealth.
The article investigates the efficiency of conventional and Islamic unit trust companies in Malaysia from 2002 to 2005 using data envelopment analysis (DEA). It finds that technical efficiency is the main contributor to enhancing the industry's efficiency, and some Islamic unit trust companies perform better than their conventional counterparts. The study also highlights that the size of the unit trust companies has an adverse effect on total factor productivity (TFP) performance. The comparison sheds light on the performance of Islamic unit trust companies operating in parallel with conventional counterparts in Malaysia, providing practical implications for both types of companies. However, the study's limitation, including being limited to 5 Islamic unit trust companies, should be considered when interpreting the results and implications.
The study on unit trust funds in Malaysia highlight their resilience and stability, particularly during the COVID-19 pandemic. It emphasizes the benefit of diversification and professional management in minimizing investment risk. The research also suggests future exploration of various types of unit trust funds, including Islamic and bond-based funds, to understand their potential contribution to social, environmental, and governance functions. Overall, the study underscored the significant role of unit trust funds in Malaysia's financial landscape and their potential to support sustainable investment.
The next article is on the investment decision of mutual fund in Malaysia. There are multiple factors that are considered by investors in choosing mutual funds as their type of investment. And the first reason is its lower risk level of investment. Mutual funds are known for its lower risk and its efficiency in maximizing the return of an investment even with a small amount of money. This is due to its structure that promotes diversity among the investor backgrounds and the management by professionals that decrease the overall risk of the mutual. The next reason mutual funds are preferred by Malaysian investors are because of its return potential. Return potential is an ability of an investment to return the profit over a specific amount of time, and mutual funds is known for having a constant return and a reasonable rate of return compared to other investments such as insurance and banking services. And the last reason is the liquidity of mutual fund. Mutual funds is flexible, which means the investor can have more freedom in their money management and they can freely move their money in and out of mutual funds to cater to their liquidity needs on a daily based transactions. This create an opportunity for the investor to either create new funds or expand the existing one according to their needs. So in conclusion, mutual funds have various benefits and features that are attractive for potential investors in Malaysia and are beneficial for them.
For the last literature review, the study delved into the investment performance of Islamic equity fund in Malaysia, placing a strong emphasis of their adherence to Sharia principle in financial activity. It conducted a comprehensive analysis, exploring both the ethical consideration and financial aspect aligned with Islamic law. A key focus in a Sharia compliant stock designed based on divine Islamic law, serving as the foundation for investment decision for both individual and institutional investors. The study drew on existing literature to underscore the significance of ethical consideration in Islamic investment decision, concurrently addressing the global growth of Islamic finance influenced by institutions like Kuwait Finance House, and evaluate the industry resilient amid the challenge posed by the COVID-19 pandemic. With Malaysia's pivotal role as a significant player in Islamic finance, the research traced its development since 1960, highlight the country's innovative approach, diverse portfolio in Islamic financial product, and its standing as a leading international Islamic financial hub. Furthermore, the study found that Islamic fund perform comparably to conventional fund in market timing, with implication not only for fund manager but also for Sharia compliant and risk-seeking investor in shaping their investment preference. Conclusion, the evidence present suggests superior security selection and market timing skills among a limited number of both Islamic and conventional funds. That's all from us. Thank you.